So at the very least, I'm going to be looking for 2 daily closes over 173 before I can then look for that next impulsive move that will likely take Solana all the way up to $250. Alright, so now what you guys just watched was an excerpt from the previous Solana update, and we were looking for closes over 173 to then help us understand whether or not Solana was then moving to the upside, right? Question is, did we get closes over 173? And yes, we did. Consecutive closes equals confirmation. Now we can look for our next major target, which for Sol, guys, believe it or not, is all-time highs. Okay, $250. From where price is at right now to, well, 250, that's a good 30% to the upside. All right, if I just take you on over to the weekly time frame, you'll see that, hey, 250 was that previous bull market high. All right, and I believe that, well, Solana might very well start moving higher. All right, and this is to say, guys, you're in this market right now, you're participating in this bull run, you're going to be making money. All right, you're going to be making money alongside, well, everyone else. The main risk here that you face is, do you know how to capture those profits? Do you know how to capture those profits? Because that, no one talks about this, but that is the main risk. And I thought about this today primarily because of a very, very profound conversation that was happening in the Mango Grove chat. For those of you, by the way, not in the Discord chat, now's the time to jump in before we lock it out as we get in through to the rest of the bull run. You'll find the Discord chat on the mangoway.com/Discord. You can find some amazing people on here. Lots of alpha in here. A lot of people sharing many of their charts, many of their trade setups as well. So get in here. But there was a discussion going on between, well, people were asking questions about the seed program and the sprouts program and which one would be a better fit for them. Fatal Vision is a sproutling. Okay. Now, programs aside, he said something here that I think is going to resonate with a lot of people. All right, and this is it. My issues, I should have done all of this, and by this, he's talking about his education, actually educating himself on how to actually trade, how to execute on his trades, how to find those trade setups, as well as risk management. He says, my issues, I should have done all of this 2 years ago, instead of putting my head in the sand as I watched my portfolio tank, as I held my bags to the ground. I turned off everything crypto for a while. I came back and started DCing in my bags, and now I'm interested in learning. I did everything backwards. I'm going to ride this trend and keep educating myself. Hopefully just being here will mean I won't miss the trend change, or by then I'll know how to recognize it and execute my profit taking. Guys, I cannot stress just how many people we've come across in the seed program, the sprouts program, who actually made a lot of money. We are all going to be beneficiaries of this bull run. The major risk here is, do you know how to keep those profits? Do you know how to keep those profits? Because if you're not thinking about that, you're likely going to end up giving a lot more than you thought back to the market. All right, so I want you to really start thinking about, well, do you know how to take those profits? Do you have that fundamental knowledge, the fundamental education to not only help you capture the trades, help you identify the trade setups, but also help you identify when the music stops playing, when the market actually reverses. Okay, when is it time to be taking out profits from the table? If you are someone looking to actively trade this bull run, you're looking to capture these amazing trades, and trust me, it's only going to take one trade to change your entire portfolio. It can set you up. All right, if you're looking to do that, then I definitely suggest checking out the Mango Seed program and the Mango Sprouts program. Now is the best time to be jumping in, guys, because we are running a birthday sale. Okay, it was my birthday a couple of days ago. The coupon code is on my screen. It's BDay2024. I will also be linking it down in the description below. Actually speak to the people in the two programs. They're going to give you a better idea on which could be a fit for you. Now with this, guys, let's get into Sol. Let's see what Sol is up to right here. Okay, now the last time, like I said, 173, we've penetrated 173, 250 is the next target. But now question is, do we get up to 250 today? Well, to get a good gauge on that, I usually like defaulting into the Mango dashboard. Get into the dashboard. Okay, you'll find this on app.mangoresearch.co. Also, guys, premium video section right here. I am going to be posting today and tomorrow on the premium video section. I think I found some amazing trade setups on there. So yeah, heads up on that for those of you who have access to the dashboard. But let's go ahead and filter out Solana from this list. Now, we created the dashboard, guys, to help us filter out coins actually worth trading. Okay, there are too many coins out there. And right now, especially in bull runs, we need to understand is that if you are sitting in an asset that's not moving in a bull run, that is opportunity cost. Okay, direct opportunity cost. I don't care. All right, so you want to make sure that the chart you're trading, the trend that you're in is a good one. All right, you want to put your money to work. All right, so the dashboard is going to help you understand where is your money best going to be sitting in, which asset. So Solana right now, if you're looking at the trends, we have bullish signals across the board, returns on every single time frame. You are up irrespective of which time frame you actually caught your trade on. All right, and that's what I'm going to tell you. I'm going to urge you guys to set in those alerts if you are looking at a certain coin, if you are looking to trade it aggressively. All right, set in those alerts right there. It's also going to help you understand when is it time to be taking profits off the table. But more importantly, now we are seeing bullish trends across the board. Also look at the flags, no flags of concern. So nothing telling us that, hey, the bulls are, giving in. No. But the only thing that's telling me that we could see a minor pullback on the chart sometime soon is the volatility profile. Okay, we're seeing these red numbers. Now, when I see volatility expand to these numbers, I usually look at the buyers might very well get exhausted sometime soon. If they get exhausted, that's when we can actually look for those consolidations. That's when we can actually look for those pullback opportunities. All right, that's the signal that the volatility gives us right now. But oftentimes when I see volatility that high, I like to pair it up with my TA. I want to see, imagine having volatility, high volatility, plus resistance. Now that is a better recipe for a pullback opportunity. Right? And that's how you sort of tie the picture in together. But now, the volatility is telling us that, hey, maybe there's something on the chart. Look for it. You might find something, right? If there is resistance, perhaps, be cautious on resistance. You might get a pullback. You might get a better bid. Ultimately, guys, as traders, finding good bid opportunities is also going to help you with your mental psyche, managing those positions. You're not jumping in the middle of a range. If you get a pullback, you now get it on a good level. That way, if it breaks, okay, if you're wrong on your trade, you get to get out with a minimal loss. All right? And you're not there floundering in deep in losses. All right, that's not what you want to do. So now, as far as Solana is concerned, we know that, hey, volatility profile is telling us that it's a bit frothy. Question is there resistance? If I'm really looking at this picture, I'm being very objective. I don't see any major resistance besides 250. Okay, we're looking at a good 30% move to the upside. The only thing I would consider is the midpoint. Many of you guys who have been watching my videos, you guys know just how much I like the midpoint theory, and how much I use it to help me establish whether or not the bulls could take it up within a short period of time. So the midpoint right now on Solana comes in at 209. And from where price is at right now to 209, that's going to be a good 8% to the upside. So I'll say this. I believe that if we start seeing rejections off of 208, so basically candle closes, the buyers are struggling to bid up Solana past 208. I'm going to be looking at that as a pullback opportunity on Sol. Okay, that's when I'll be gunning for another pullback on Sol. However, every pullback, in my opinion, is going to be a buy the dip opportunity. I'm not looking for anything significant, not in the middle of a bull run. Okay, bull run pullbacks are pullbacks that are meant to be bought. All right, so that's what I'm going to be looking for to really anticipate the next pullback to really come to us. All right, at which point, if we do get the pullback, if we form a bearish structure on here, then I would be expecting a move back down to 173. All right, keep it simple, stupid. Let's get on over to our daily time frame. So we'll be looking for something like this. Okay, then possibly a bounce. But this would effectively put in a higher low on the chart. But managing a bid off of 173 would be ideal. But right now, I don't think the pullback comes to us soon before we get up to 209. I think the major price point at which the bears might very well step in is going to be 209. Okay, so watch out for how price performs off there, because that's going to give you the tip. If the buyers manage to actually push price up over 209, we start seeing strength over 209, I'm saying, hey, 250 next stop. It's clear. Okay, clear as day. 20% to the upside. What we want to see on the trend and volatility profile to give us a tilt in that, hey, the buyers are picking up momentum once again, is we want to see this volatility profile calm down a bit. All right, blue numbers, yellow numbers is going to give us a tell in that, hey, the bulls are picking up momentum once again. They're picking up power once again. I want to see bullish signals for the most part across the board, at least from the daily time frame to the weekly time frame. If those time frames can maintain long signals while we see a reset in volatility profile, I think that's going to be another recipe for a big move on Solana. All right, so that's what you look for on the Mango dashboard. Once again, guys, you're going to find the dashboard on app.mangoresearch.co. If you are trading this aggressively, please set in your alerts right here. All right, that this is Solana. Now, the thing is that 250, is the next most immediate target on Sol's chart. But honestly, based on we had the mastermind call, I presented a system to everyone on there that's going to help us with assessing Bitcoin's targets, bull market targets. And I actually found a system with it was 100% hit rate. Yeah. And seedlings, if you're watching this, if Bitcoin gets up to those targets that made all of our jaws drop, who is to say that Solana cannot get up to its 800% target? Yeah, guys, Solana's next major bull market target okay, is based, it's hinged on this, the measured move of this cup and handle like formation. If I take the measured move, plot it on the break, and by the way, this pattern has been activated. If I plot it on the break, it's going to take Solana all the way up to 1.7k, which by the way is a good 800% from here. 800%. I did a poll on a live stream and I asked people, you know, how probable is this play, this bull run? And I was really shocked to find that many people did not think that this was a probable play. This was a probable target for Solana's bull market. So that really sort of piqued my interest right there. But yeah, I want you guys to have this measured move at the back of your head. Ceilings, if I think Bitcoin's targets actually play out this bull run, I'm saying Solana actually gets up to 1.7k, might even overshoot. Yeah, I know it's a bold statement. It's a bold statement. We're gonna wait and watch how price plays out. Of course, I will be giving you guys updates on Sol. But for now, this is the current picture. Once again, guys, quick reminder, the Mango birthday sale stays on. B-Day 2024 is the coupon code. If you're looking to hunker down this bull run, if you're looking to get those life-changing gains as well as know how to capture them, know how to find the trade setups on your own without needing me on the other side of the screen or anyone else for that matter, this is your time. Okay, check out the seed program, check out the sprouts program. If you are torn between the two of them, well, you can either get both. There's a bundle going on. Also, coupon applies there as well. One better, get into the Discord chat and actually speak to the students to see which one might be a good fit for you. Alrighty, now I hope you guys enjoyed today's Solana update. If you did, hit the like. I will now see you in the next one with this. Trade safely, trade stress-free, trade the mango way, trade the easy way. Ciao, you guys.